Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to schedule Instagram posts. Okay, first things first, open the Instagram app on your device. Here in your profile settings, just tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the account type, and you can also use the search bar at the top of the settings page to find it. Tap then on the account type and select Switch to Professional Account. Choose either business or creator depending on your preferences. You can also choose whether or not to display this on your profile. So, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions. Now that you have a professional account, you can then schedule content on Instagram. To do this, just tap the Create button at the bottom of Instagram, select the content you want to post, and in this example, we'll choose an image. Tap the Next in the top right corner after choosing your content. You can add filters, music, captions, and tags if needed. At the bottom, you'll see Advanced Settings, so make sure to tap this option. In the Advanced Settings, you'll see Schedule Content. Toggle this option on, choose a date and time for your post to be scheduled. You can specify when you want it to be published. Once done, press Set Time. Press then back or swipe to the previous screen, then tap Schedule in the top right corner. And as simple as it is, you can now schedule your post for Instagram. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now schedule Instagram posts. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.